Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations, and this is for my secret Santa. This is the gifts that I've made for her. And yes, that's her name, Netta. And I have to put this out in the mail tomorrow, so I'm going to do a really quick show and tell of what I've made. Now inside here, I went ahead, this is the fabric that she likes. So I have put the extra fabric that I did not use in this. Here's the inside to give you an idea what the lining looks like. We had a choice with our Secret Santas. We can either want something purchased or we can want something made. I did a little bit of both because she wanted a couple of things. I believe everybody needs one of those. I made her a postcard and she likes snowflakes, so I put a snowflake on her postcard. And so I put some things in this little bag here. Let me just show you here. So I've got her some little snips, and everybody needs needles, so I got her some needles, and I went ahead and got her some pins for some projects, Christmas colors, red and green. And then I made her a little ornament out of buttons. It's a little Christmas tree. I've got her an Endurance rotary blade because everybody needs to have fresh rotary blades. I got some medium clips for her. I don't know if she's ever used them, but I thought she could try them out. Let's see, do I have a small one around here? Let me stop the video and get a small one so I can give you a comparison of the size between the medium and the small. Here is a small clip. Looks like that. And here is a medium clip to give you an idea. Let's do this right here. I don't know if I can hold them both or not, but that's the difference between the two right there. Now that's not a large clip. They actually have some large ones out there too. This is just a medium. So I got her just a few here for medium. She likes Mickey Mouse, so I bought online this little Mickey Mouse, and there are a whole bunch of different ones. So you can use them to, I'm telling you, you can use them for everything. First off, you can use them as templates if you want to. For sewing. You can use them as cookie cutters. You can use them as sandwich cutters, which you would do with your kids' sandwich. You go down the middle of the bread and do it. Just anything you can think of, you can do it. I got her because we're not done doing this yet. So here's a little, some of the hand wipe. I have an ornament made out of which I believe Megan and I made these little ornaments one year. So it's just a little Christmas tree ornament, a little hat. And then also, well, Megan didn't make it, but I made this little decoration for the tree. And it's got a button on the back and a button on the front, just a little star. And then I made because she likes the color blue, I made her a bow cozy. And then last but least, I have joined well, not joined, but I got I'm trying to think of the name of the company. I can't think of it. Something Designs. GE Designs. And so I made this, which carries your casserole in. Back it up here. So I put a pie dish in it. So that's, your average size pie dish. So you saw, let me put it in there again. So you have an idea of, and then you just take your two pieces here, you put them together and you carry it. That's what that looks like. Then I'm going to put something a little bit bigger in it. So I've got a Tupperware, a Tupperware pie safe, I guess you call it. And you can put that size in it. So that gives you an idea that you can go small or large. And that's what that one looks like. So just to give you an idea. And that's what I've made to give to her, which is my Secret Santa. Thank you for watching and welcome all my new subscribers. And if you like this video, give me a comment. You can give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.